Alright, let's take a look at putting a system together that will allow us to have this marble fall and take out these 4 stars. It all starts with a little planning, and in this case I think I'm going to try and draw a line that goes from just underneath this star down to here. Develop a ramp that travels in that direction. So I'll take a look at what kind of line, or how can I design a line that is tilted this way positively and goes through the y-axis at about 5. So I will take a look at a line with a slope of 1. We'll try a line with a slope of 1, and we'll see if putting it somewhere around 5 will allow it to cross the y-intercept at 5 and travel upward and get to these stars. 5 may be a little bit too much, so we'll try 4.5. So now it's just under those stars. But I only want this section of the line. So now that it's tilted, it's sloped in the positive direction, and it looks like it's about what I would like. 2 would be too much. 0.5 would be too flat. So it looks like 1 is the best slope. 4.5 looks like a good y-intercept. I'm going to restrict it so I only have this piece. It looks like from about 5 to about 10. I only want the part of the line where x is greater than 5, less than 10. That might be a little bit too much, so I will try 4.5. No, 5.5. I went in the wrong direction. 5.5. Let's try that piece. That piece looks like it'll take out those 2 stars when I launch it. So I'll develop a ramp now that goes in this direction. So now I see that direction would have about the same slope, but it would be negative. And it looks like I'm going to want that line to cross. Let's see if it slopes this way and gets those 2 stars and continues on. It looks like it crosses the y-axis about 24. Maybe a little bit more. And again, I only want the part of the line that goes from, it looks like 10 to 15. So it looks like I want x to be greater than 10 and less than 15, maybe 14.5. So now I've built 2 lines and restricted them in such a way that when I launch this, now I can take out 3 stars. I'll have to develop a ramp that gets me down to that last star. But using slope to control our tilt, positive or negative, and using y-intercept to control the position, and using these restrictions to control how much of the line we have, we can put these ramps wherever we would like. Good luck.